Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will learn about Microsoft's Power Platform. It is a no-code, low-code platform and is composed of 4 key products: Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI and Power Virtual Agents. Power Apps provides a rapid development environment for building custom apps for business needs. It has connectors, and a scalable data service and app platform also known as Microsoft Dataverse allows simple integration and interaction with existing data. Power Apps enables the creation of web and mobile applications that run on all devices. We use apps for every area of our lives, and business is no exception. Most out-of-the-box solutions do not meet exact business needs or integrate well with other business programs. Power Apps eases users into app development with a simple interface so that every business user or pro developer can build custom applications. Next is Power Automate. It lets users create automated workflows between applications and services. It helps automate repetitive business processes such as communication, data collection, and approvals. Don't waste important productive hours on repetitive tasks. Not only for the individual user, Power Automate allows creation of enterprise-grade process automation. Power Automate's simple interface allows every level of user to automate their tasks, from beginners to professional developers. Then comes Power BI. It is a business analytics service that delivers insights for analyzing data. It can share those insights through data visualizations, which makes reports and dashboards to enable fast and informed decisions. Power BI scales across an organization, and its built-in governance and security allows businesses to focus on using data more than managing it. You can consider Power BI as the analysis and insights leg of Microsoft Power Platform. It takes business data and allows you to display it in ways that makes the most sense to users. A Power BI dashboard could potentially replace a standing meeting to report out on company metrics such as sales data, progress against goals, or employee performance. Last is Power Virtual Agents. It enables anyone to create powerful chatbots using a guided, no-code graphical interface without the need for data scientists or developers. Power Virtual Agents is part of Microsoft Power Platform, therefore integration into existing systems is streamlined with out-of-the-box integration with Power Automate and its ecosystems of hundreds of connectors. You can enable chatbots to perform an action by simply calling a Power Automate flow. Flows help automate activities or call back-end systems. You can utilize existing flows that have been created in your Power Apps environment or can create a flow within Power Virtual Agents authoring Canvas. We thank you for watching and hope this helps you in learning new skills. Enjoy your day and see you in the next video.